Katie Johnson and her girlfriend Johnna-Lisa Ferguson are suing their former landlord-to-be, Corina Flores, for the return of their security deposit. The plaintiffs claim their room was infested with cockroaches, so they never moved in.
All right, Miss Flores, I'm going to start with you.
Okay.
You had a room to rent in your house.
Correct.
Do you rent or own your house?
I rent.
How long have you rented your house?
A year and 3 months.
How many rooms is it?
4 bedrooms.
And what is the total rent on the house?
$14.70.
What do you do for a living?
Right now I'm unemployed, but I volunteer at a homeless shelter.
I don't care about your volunteering. How do you support yourself?
They pay me $9 an hour to volunteer.
They pay you $9 an hour? That's not volunteering, that's working.
Yeah.
How many hours a day do you work?
4.
How old are you?
21.
What else do you do? Do you go to school?
No.
Why?
I graduated massage therapy about 2 years ago.
So, why don't you do it?
My license is expired.
Why?
I didn't pay the amount for the license.
Okay, so this is what the case is about. These two people answered an ad for a room that you had to rent.
Correct.
And the rent was $400.
Incorrect.
How much?
$600.
And they gave you a deposit.
No, I didn't ask for a security deposit. I asked for $600 before move-in.
Did they give you the $600?
No.
How much did they give you?
$400.
I knew I saw $400
Yeah.
someplace. So they gave you $400 to hold the room for them.
Yeah.
Because they didn't have the other $200.
They told me they did have the $600.
Did they have it at that time?
They did tell me they had it
So
at that
why
time.
didn't you give her the whole $600?
We actually planned to move in on Friday.
Just at,
Oh.
why didn't you give her the $600?
Oh, because we discussed that we'd give it on Friday.
Okay, but the plan was for you to move in within a couple of days.
Right.
And you packed up all your things. Tell me what you packed up.
I actually just came in with a bag. The rest of our luggage was in the car, and
So you packed your luggage.
yes,
And there is a child. How old is the child?
he's 4.
And he had his things.
Oh, no, we did not bring him to this one.
You didn't bring him yet?
No.
Okay, so you were going to move in first?
Yes, we're going to make sure everything was set up and prepared.
And on what date did you come with all of your things?
We came in on the 4th of November.
So that's 2 days after you saw it.
Yes.
And this is what happened, Ms. Flores. When they came in on the 4th with all their bags packed, they come in and they take a look at the house and they say, this isn't what we saw 2 days ago. Now, what was different about the house 2 days later,
To
right
them-
here?
To them, apparently there was...
Not to them. I'm asking you, Ms. Flores,